Hey friends, so I have been a nurse for 26 years, and of those 26 years I have been very holistically minded rather than allopathically minded for 21 of those years, and that's because I have a daughter who turns 21 in a few weeks. And when she was a toddler, she was diagnosed with asthma, and so that's what started my journey. My holistic journey was trying to just rid my home of toxins, and then we started using herbs and homeopathics, essential oils, all that stuff. So I have been purchasing those products for my family to support our overall wellness for years, right? And never in my 26 years of being a nurse did I think that we would be in a position right now that I truly feel that we will not be able to be purchasing those products forever. I think that it's going to become very difficult to purchase holistic products in the future. So I have decided to start making my own products. Like I said, I've been buying them, but I feel like I need to up my game. So I'm starting with tinctures. The reason I'm starting with tinctures is because you can make a big batch of a tincture with herbs in it. And when it's prepared properly and stored properly, it has a shelf life of up to 7 years. So I can make one batch of a tincture enough supply in one batch to last my entire family 7 years. So my goal is to make, 10 or 12 different tinctures that'll pretty much cover everything, and then make some salves and some dry teas and things that pretty much to where I can just have a fully stocked medicine cabinet all on my own. So I want to show you the book. This is the book I am using, and the author, if you want to take a screenshot, got it on Amazon, has all the recipes for tinctures, salves, teas, capsules, oils, and washes. So it shows you exactly how to make everything. It's pretty simple. And now I'm going to show you some of the tinctures I made yesterday, and I'm going to show you how easy it is to make them. Okay guys, I'm telling you, this is the easiest thing ever. So you find a recipe for whatever it is that you want to make a tincture for. So this one is anti-inflammatory herbs and like turmeric and stuff, and then this one is immune system stuff. It's got elderberry and a few other things in it. So you fill it up with your herbs, whatever the recipe says, and then you fill it up with vodka, and you wait like 3 to 6 weeks depending on the recipe, and then you strain out all the herbs, put it in a dropper bottle like this,